Okay, it's 4 o'clock and I'm leaving Memories Hotel to go catch up with everyone else to this waterfall.
Sugarcane juice. So good. We found this random temple on the way to the waterfall.
This is a monastery.
Oh.
một người nhé.
220 một người. Trẻ em 100.000. Guys, it's like a 8 bucks, 9 bucks person.
Wow.
Bây giờ cái mùa này còn nước suối không? Còn nhưng mà có không có nhiều nước không?
Đúng rồi, nó không nhiều bằng mùa mưa. Mùa mưa thì thác nó đổ mạnh hùng vĩ hơn ha. Mùa này thì thác nó chảy nó êm hơn.
Chảy êm mà có ít thôi, có nhiều.
Nhiều vẫn thác vẫn đẹp lắm.
Okay, so yeah, there's water. It's not like raging like.
I got it. 220. 220,000 dong. Full entrance fee. Come on.
Okay, come on now. I'll see you.
Thank you. Oh, let's go sit down. Woo! Made it to the waterfall. Now we take the roller coaster back.
I'm all by myself because V went with them, so. It turns out the waterfall we were going to is actually like a touristy theme park with like roller coasters and ball pits and cinemas and a Ferris wheel and stuff. So I found a new spot. All right, we're gonna go check out this spot on the map that I found using a topography map. That's gotta be the coolest house in Thailand.
In Vietnam?
Vietnam. That's gotta be the coolest house in Vietnam. Waterfall, it's going to show you a place where there's a waterfall that you can pay to go see. But if you use a topography map, wow, this is good enough.
You find a place like this. We made it.
Every once in a while, you get to roads that are steep enough where you don't need a kickstand. Doesn't happen every time, but when it does, it's pretty awesome.
It's day 3 of our Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi motorbike trip. Today we're checking out Bao Loc.